Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, the World Athletics Council has decided to postpone the World Athletics Relays in Guangzhou, China, scheduled for May 13 to 14, 2023, until April and May of 2025. This decision was taken with the agreement of both the Guangzhou Organizing Committee and the Chinese Athletics Association due to the ongoing pandemic conditions. The decision to delay the World Athletics Relays impacts on the qualification system for the relay events at the World Athletics Championships in Budapest, Hungary. Therefore, the World Athletics Competition Commission, upon approval of the Council, has revised the qualification system to include the top 8 teams from the World Athletics Championships in Oregon and the top 8 teams from the performance list. And Reggae Boys captain Andre Blake and forward Corey Burke and their Philadelphia Union team are through to the MLS Championship final after tagging New York City 3-1 in the Eastern Conference final on Sunday. Blake conceded the 57th minute opener, but 2 goals in 2 minutes from the number 1 ranked Eastern Conference team put them in front. Burke, who was a 62nd minute substitute, rubber-stamped the victory, notching the Union's 3rd goal in the 76th minute. It was sweet revenge for Blake and Burke, who had to watch the Eastern Conference title last year from the stands because of COVID-19 protocols, where the Union lost to New York. They will face Los Angeles FC in the final. And defending champions Harborview will look to make it 2 wins from 2 starts in this season's Jamaica Premier League when they entertain Mount Pleasant Football Academy at the Stadium East complex this afternoon at 5 p.m. The Stars of the East blanked Chapelton Maroons 2-0 in their opening game, while Mount Pleasant, who are also hunting a second win, came from behind to edge Falkland 2-1. The day's other clash sees Arnett Gardens, who had a 2-1 win over Cavalier in the opening round, opposing Portmore United at 7:30. And defending champions and host Australia enhanced their chances of qualifying for the semi-finals of the ICC T20 World Cup following a 42-run win over Ireland, led by 6-3 from captain and man of the match Aaron Finch. The Aussies posted a challenging 179 for 5. Marcus Stoinis chipped in with 35, while Mitchell March made 28 against Barry McCarthy 3 for 29. The Irish in their chase slumped to 25 for 5 before being dismissed for 137 in 18.1 overs. Mitchell Stark, Pat Cummings, Adam Zampa and Glenn Maxwell had 2 wickets each. Larkin Tucker, with an unbeaten 71, was the only batter to offer resistance. The win takes Australia to second in Group 1 on 5 points, the same as New Zealand, who have a superior net run rate. And Randall Rambus Singh has given more life to the penultimate stop of the Race Zone Drift series on November 20 after taking points from the top drivers following his upset win in Part 6 at the pier in Trelawney last time out. Singh ignited a wave of relentless excitement each time his Toyota DX roared on track despite stern opposition from the pro-class drifters such as championship leader Nicholas Taz Barnes. However, Singh's consistency and tenacity was unmatched on the day as his near-perfect 295 points run was followed up by a perfect 300 points run to claim round 6 of the Drift Series. Singh was $100,000 richer from winning the contest, while Barnes pocketed $70,000 and third place Zachary Isaac won $50,000. This result leaves Singh 8th overall and 25 points, while Barnes is still at the top with 94 points, moving into the next round. And that's it for your midday sports report. Shane, it's back to you.